How to change your name on Hinge. If you're looking for a way to change your name on Hinge, then it is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open up your Hinge dating application on your mobile device and then log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. From the Edit tab, scroll all the way down and then under My Vitals, tap on Name. Here, go ahead and make any edits you'd like for the name. You can change your name and set it to something else and then go back. Soon after that, you'll be able to change your name on Hinge. Pretty simple, isn't it? As you can see, my name now has been changed at the upper left of the profile page. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.